First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. To create product images, start by deciding what type of product you want to showcase. It could be clothing, electronics, cosmetics, food packaging, accessories, furniture, or almost any other type of product. Open the image generation tool and begin writing your prompt. Describe the product clearly and explain how you want it to appear. Include details about the background, lighting, camera angle, composition, and overall photography style. For example, you could describe a premium wireless headphone placed on a clean modern studio surface, soft professional lighting, realistic reflections, minimal background. Commercial product photography and high detail. If you already have a product image and your current Leonardo AI workflow supports image inputs, you can also use the appropriate image-based feature to help guide the result. Next, review the available model and generation settings. Choose an aspect ratio that matches where you plan to use the image. For an online store, you may want a clean product-focused composition. For social media advertising, you might prefer a more creative scene. Now generate your images. Once the results appear, carefully check the product's shape, proportions, materials, colors, and important details. If the product doesn't look accurate enough, improve your prompt or use the available image editing tools. You can also generate multiple variations with different backgrounds, lighting setups, or compositions. After choosing the best result, use the available enhancement or editing tools to make any final improvements. Finally, save or download the finished product image. With Leonardo AI, you can create product visuals for marketing concepts, advertisements, presentations, social media, and other creative projects. And that's how you can create product images with Leonardo AI.